between the lines. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Match 86, we are off. Wingus and Dingus making their way to the front of the cargo ship for the Red Alliance, placing a hatch panel along with their partners Spectrum on the rocket. Meanwhile, 1690 doing another hatch panel on the rocket for Blue. It's now time for a teleoperated period. Spectrum following up with what they did in the Sandstorm mode, quickly placing a second hatch panel on the lower level of the rocket for Red. They are now have to deal with 6443 aimbot. A little robot low to the ground, has a low center of gravity and a strong drivetrain. They have been all over the defensive game during this competition. They are currently making the Red Alliance robots' lives really difficult. They're not going to easily let Spectrum to get back to the human player station easily. However, Wingus and Dingus also on the Red Alliance is not currently being defended by aimbot, and so they have 1, 2, 3, 4 hatch panels placed on the rocket for the Red Alliance. Over on the blue side of the field, the Chimeras, a great offensive bot that for this match has decided that they want to focus on defense, and we can see why. They just forced 1690 to miss placing a crucial hatch panel on the rocket for the Blue Alliance. 60 seconds left in the match. The Blue Alliance has a sizable lead on Red, thanks to, in no small part, 118 working on a rocket for Blue. They've got the first level done and half of the bottom level. Now they're working on the second. 1690 also moving around the Chimeras to place a couple of game pieces onto the rocket for Blue. 35 seconds left in the match. Wingus and Dingus headed back over to their human player station to grab a hatch panel to place on front of the cargo ship. 30 seconds remaining. This Red Alliance needs to make up some point differences, and the Chimeras want to help with that. They're headed over, lining up to do a level 3 climb for the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, aimbot 6443 have already got a level 3 for the Blue Alliance under their belts if 1690 doesn't knock them off the platform in the process. Looks like we're going to have an attempted double level 3 climb. 2, 1. Looks like Red Alliance did not have enough time to execute that level 3 climb, or multiple level 3 climbs they were trying, but we'll see how that end game decisions impact the final score of the match.
Reminder to all teams, mentors, coaches, probably specifically, if you would like your pizza at 1 o'clock, your order sheet and money needs to be at the concession stand by 11 o'clock, which is in about half an hour. If you would like your pizza at 1 o'clock this afternoon, please have your order form into the concession stand by 11 a.m. Thank you.
And we do have a score for qualification match 86. It's the Blue Alliance. They put up a score of 102 to the Red Alliance's 63 and earned 3 ranking points in that process. That's going to bump up all 3 Blue Alliance robots. Unfortunately for the Red Alliance, they were not able to earn any ranking points during that match, and so as a result, all 3 will be dropping in the rankings.